Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Simplified. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete OnlyFans account. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open your preferred web browser and type in onlyfans.com. Once you do that, go ahead and give your login details and log in into your OnlyFans account. Once you've logged in, you're gonna see options like home, notifications, new posts, chat on, and your profile. Tap on your profile from the bottom right corner where you're gonna see options like my profile, collections, settings, your cards, become a creator, help and support, light or dark mode, language, and log out. Tap on settings from there. Once you've tapped on settings, you're gonna have to go ahead and tap on account from the screen. Now under account, you're gonna find categories like account info, linked account, connected accounts, security, and account management. Right under account management, you're gonna find one option, delete account. Tap on delete account, then it's gonna ask you for the verification code that's given on your screen. Just go ahead, type in the verification code that's given on your screen, then tap on delete account. Once you tap on delete account, it's gonna ask you if you're sure that you want to delete an account and your account will be permanently deleted. Just go ahead and tap on yes, delete, and your account of OnlyFans will be deleted. And guys, that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.